back at another fishing video today. My brother caught one. I caught two. My other brother caught one. Spit my shit. You better read that shit slow, or it's gonna pop off. It's not that big. I have a release video of my other fish. Yeah. Ooh, you caught another one. Whoa. Yeah. Gotta get mine in too. Oh, I got one too. I got one too. I got one. Oh my god. Shit, I'm on my phone. It's a big one. It's a big one.
You missing out for
On bro. Oh my god. It's a big one.
I got you.
Yeah. What you got? What you got? Smallmouth. Let's see if it's big. It's fighting like it's big.
Cute.
Oh, it's pretty big. Where's your fish at? Right here. Shit, man, right when it casted in and I was talking.
Bruh. 2 casts in a row, I caught one. My line turned white.
Ooh, this looks good. Yeah. We're gonna release this fish. Hey, you guys saw it too, right when it hit the water. It fucking ran.
We gotta catch 2 at a time so I can take pictures with some fish.
What's up, you guys? I just caught my smallie under this bridge. It's raining outside. Yeah. Pretty good size. A bit like 2 times. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I catch another one.
Like some